Everyone, please mute it. So, children, so we were talking about cardiac muscles, and what are the use of pumping?
Ma'am, what about completing the workbook?
Workbook today I will, because already we lost the time. Okay, slowly you complete it. Next class we can see
Ma'am,
it. Clear?
I completed.
I am sending some more extra question answers for you. You have to copy in the ruled sheets. Okay. Yes. So before we go to how to take care of the muscles, we are still in the cardiac muscles, and I have already told you, children, the muscles will contract. The cardiac muscles will contract and relax in order to breathe in and breathe out. So if you breathe in, your muscles will contract. Everyone, just take the breath inside. Now, everyone, nicely take. Okay, leave it now. Leave it now. Did you feel your muscles above the stomach is getting tight when you breathe in? Did you feel that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So that is a contraction. So that means when you breathe in, contracting. And what you call for that muscles where we are taking breathing, and above the our stomach there is a one type of part of our body that is known as rib cage. We call it where it is contraction taking place. We call that rib cage. Okay, rib cage means next chapter our respiratory system. You will next we will have respiratory system next chapter. So in that you will learn more about rib cage. So the muscles, the cardiac muscles, which is just above your stomach. So when you take breathing, you feel that tightening your entire body. You just experience that is because your muscles are contracting, and then you breathe in and you breathe out. You got a very good feeling. Correct. I'll give you. Don't write. I'll give you the points regarding rib cage and all. Okay. So when you expand or when you release the air out, you feel that your muscles are expanded and relaxed. So that means you are breathing out. Okay. So this shape of this rib cage muscles is a dome shaped muscles, more or less like this. Okay, more or less like you know, the cashew nut. So like that is our rib cage muscles. Both the sides you will have rib cage, and there will be a tiny bones like that on the top. So it is also attached to the heart. It's a part of the heart. Okay, so rib cage actually is protecting the heart. Okay,
Lungs.
yes.
Lungs.
Yeah.
Lungs also.
So this is known as rib cage muscles, and it has got a dome shaped like that. Clear? So when we contract, we are breathing. When the muscles expand, we breathe out. Okay. Now next we are moving on to.
Excuse me, ma'am.
How do we take care of your muscles now? Yeah. See, doubt.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Sarah, can you mute it now? Can you mute it now?
Right.
No, I'll tell you what to write. Okay. Don't write now, nothing. Just relax now. I'll be sending the slide to you, and then I will be writing some questions underneath. You have to get the answers from this. Clear? So these are the three types of muscles we have learned about it. Now we are going to learn how you take care of your muscles very well. Okay. So what is our tag of this lesson? Healthy muscles, healthy body. It is a tag of this lesson. After learning this lesson, in your mind, what should be there? It should be this word: healthy muscles, healthy body. So that means you need to take care of your cardiac muscles, smooth muscles, skeletal muscles, all that. Okay. Breathing and breathing out, that process we call it as respiration. That we are going to study in detail in second chapter. So I am not going there. I'm just telling you this breathing in, breathing out. That process is known as respiratory system. Oh, that is our respiratory system. So now I am not going to talk about much. We are only now moving on to the how do we take care of our muscles. Okay. So 1 minute, let me move on this. Let me move this because it has a... Okay, fine. Yes. Now I want Sarah, can you read this first line? Healthy muscle after below that, which is in the green color. Can you read it?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Keeping your muscles healthily will help you to be able to walk, run, jump, lift things, play sports, and do all other things you love to do. Exercising, getting enough rest, and eating a balanced diet will help to keep our muscles healthily for
Healthy.
life. Healthy for life.
Okay, now you unmute it. Okay, children. So this paragraph is the same paragraph I have summarized as a point here. Clear? The points are here. From this, what you understand? If you keep your muscles healthy, what are the things you have to do? You have to do exercise. You should have sleep minimum at least 6 to 8 hours according to the age. Okay. Now we are grown up people. We are almost, since because we have work, we are sleeping sometimes only 5 hours. Actually, that is not good. That's why we are getting some muscle problems and all. But you are a student, you have to sleep maximum 6 to 8 hours in a day in the night. So how do we find that time? For find that time, you have to do your work on time. Okay, you should not keep on your work for after 11 o'clock and all. Minimum by 11 o'clock in the midnight, you should sleep. 11 o'clock, you sleep and get up by 5 o'clock something. That's the best timing. So 11 to 5, if you sleep well, your body get enough rest, and your muscles will get a time for getting relieved from because morning you are doing so many works, no? Even now you are sitting in computer. Do you think it is good? No. Continuously, if you sit in front of a computer and without doing anything, you are only writing, but your other part of the body has no exercise. So after you complete your classes every day, just have some running, some exercise, some playing games to keep your muscles healthy. Okay. So enough rest means you should sleep on time. If you want to go to sleep by 11 to 5, you want to sleep within that time, what you have to do? You have to do your work, you have to do your homework, you have to do all your activities, sleep, having bath, whatever work you do, you have to complete it. Then only your muscles will be strong. Another thing, eating a balanced diet. Can you tell me what do you mean by balanced diet, Kirtana? Kirtana, can you tell me? Balanced diet means what? You must have studied in the previous class.
Balanced diet means to have more food.
Okay. Not more food. You should have the rich food. You should have the rich food. Siddhi, can you tell me some of the nutrients we require for our body? Vitamins. Very good. Vitamins. Janvi, you know? Minerals. Okay. Jenika, do you know some of the things we require for our body? Vitamins, minerals. Then next person.
Felix.
Felix. Okay, Felix. Say.
Stamina.
Felix, you say.
And fiber.
Fiber. Proteins. Ojas and Manas.
Nutrients. And stamina.
It's not stamina. It's a locally we use for a healthy body stamina. Okay. And it is actually common name is nutrients. Common name is Nutrients. Nutrients means it is what you said: vitamins, minerals, carbohydrates. Madhu, Mana, what are you doing there?
And protein.
What are you showing your teeth and your tongue and all? Huh? Okay. Okay. Proteins, carbohydrates, all those things. Okay. So these are known as balanced diet. So how do we get balanced diet? If you eat both the type of food, veg and non-veg properly, not eating more. Some people will eat only non-veg more. That is not a balanced diet. Some people have, okay, some Brahmins, they will eat only vegetarian food, but it is their religious, but still they have some kind of plants have got proteins, like chana and all the pulses has got proteins. So they are getting that. Otherwise, proteins we will get from the non-veg. The people, those who eat both non-veg and veg, you will get proteins from egg, milk, all that things. Okay, so balanced diet means all these things should be there. All these things. Yes. Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yeah. Tell me now.
Ma'am, my doubt is I have seen in some movies if a person is having any operation, their heart will put in the ice. Why they are putting the heart in the ice?
Heart in the eyes. That doesn't mean I did.
Yeah.
Is it for you are talking about heart transplantation?
Yeah,
The
ma'am.
heart transplantation, my dear. Maybe, see, some people, their heart get failed. So what they do means, they will take the heart from the people, those who die. So suppose your heart is in failed, and doctor is telling you have to transplant the heart. I know you must have seen the movie Traffic. In Malayalam movie, it is a transplantation. They are showing that one of the movie. So suppose a person die. Within this 4 hours or something, you have to take that heart and put it in other persons. Otherwise, that heart cannot be used. So if your person die, if you remove the heart of that person, you have to keep it that heart without dying. It should have that pulse, even it is without dying. That heart, after you die also, your heart will have some kind of beating. Okay. So within that moment, they have to do the surgery, take the heart. Heart means it is a living thing. You have to keep it for 4 hours and you have to transplant that to another place. Maybe the person who dies is in Bangalore. That heart we have to take into the Kochi. One of the person who lost the heart, means who has a heart failure. So within that time, you have to take the heart fast or by plane or something. You have to bring it and you have to fix to that person. And only it will work. Otherwise, there is no use. So that is the reason why they are keeping in the ice. In the ice means, we preserve the food. Why do we preserve the food in fridge? Tell me. Why do we preserve the food?
To
Ma'am, you
That
said
for it not to be
should
spoiled, be failure.
Yes. Okay. Now everyone mute it. That means it should not spoil. So today you make chicken curry. There was a balance. Your mother will keep it in the fridge. Correct?
Yes.
So for that, so you're preserving. And early morning, next day you can have it. Mana, what happened to your tongue and teeth, dear? Close your mouth.
my tongue is hurting on the side, so
Oh, maybe, okay, you show your mother, okay? Mother or father, what is the problem with your tongue? You are getting pain, I think. Yeah. Okay, fine. So that is how. So for preserving, that is the reason we are, when you do the heart transplantation, they will keep in the ice and they take it to the another place. Okay, children. Okay. So now you understood. So these are the important keywords to take care of it. First thing, exercise. To have your muscles healthy, you should have exercise. Second one, stretch. Sometimes in the first class, I told you to do some exercise. You have stretched your entire body. Clear? Okay. So when you
Ma'am.
stretch it, yeah.
Felix, have a doubt.
Felix, you wait. Let me complete, dear. So when we stretch, improves strength of the muscles. When I did exercise in the first class, you were very happy. Your body has, you felt very interesting for all those things. Yes. Okay. Okay, that's it. So improves your strength of muscles. Okay, improve the strength of muscle. Now I wanted everyone to stretch, all of you. Stand up from your place fast. Yes, evening, no, how many classes you're already tired. Okay. Yes. What did I teach in the first thing? Number one, raise it up.
One,
One. Yes, very good.
2,
Two.
3,
Yeah.
4.
Yes, very, very good, Felix. Felix is guiding. Start again, Felix.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yes. Now everyone stretch in your toes, stand on toes and stretch it nicely. Oh, okay, very good. Yeah. Now stretch your waist this way, nicely stretch it. Wow. Do you feel happy when you do this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now you feel happy now because all day you are sitting in front of the computer. So now stretch it sideways nicely. Yes.
Stretch.
Now, are you all standing on toes?
Yeah, ma'am.
Ah, nicely stretched.
Yes,
Do you
ma'am.
feel nice?
Standing
Wow.
on
Toes? Toes you don't know. Yes. Okay. Okay. Very good. Very good. Okay. Now once again stretch it hard. Stretch it hard.
Again, stand on toes.
Yes. Very good. Very good. Okay. Sit down now, all of you. Okay. Very good.
My leg.
Yeah. Are you all happy to do this?
Yes, ma'am.
Why I'm showing you all this? After all these classes, you go and have your tea. After tea, be in front of your house or in your garden, wherever you like, do all these stretchings. Okay.
Can you share the board? I want to revise it in evening.
You only interested in writing. More than writing, what we needed in our life? More practice. Okay, writing, okay, you will score the marks. That's it.
No,
So
ma'am.
that is about
Forget that
stretch.
way.
I am sending this slide in your WhatsApp. Don't worry, I am sending this slide. Now you listen to me.
We should try.
Now third one, drink a lot of water. Yeah. After every class, you have a gap. Go and drink at least minimum 2 glasses. For healthy muscles, a person should have 2 liters of water. Not 1 or 2 glasses. Daily, you should have 2 liters of water.
Ma'am, if we don't drink water, we will get muscle cramp.
And if you so if you don't drink water, your muscle have some problem. That is what we will be teaching, going to be the next class about the muscle injuries. So drink a lot of water. So what we do? 2 liters means 8 glasses. Okay. So after you have 4 periods, do you have 4 periods?
Yes.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
after every period, drink 2 glass of water. Devash, why are you having the food now? That's not good. Devash, all are in the class. You can have the snacks or something after that. Okay. I saw you.
Excuse me, ma'am. What's a cramp?
Cramp is you will get
Ma'am, I know
your
what is
muscles
cramp.
get tight. Your muscles get tight suddenly. That
Ma'am,
when you run
if you
and-
sit on a place for too long and you move
Yeah,
your
will get the
hand,
muscle cramp.
yes.
like 100 needles prick
Yes.
your hand at the same time.
Okay, children. So that's what. So why do we drink water? Internal organs and muscles.
Internal
be
organs,
healthy. That's our
muscles be healthy.
Heart, stomach, lungs, liver, everything should be healthy. And last two, already I told you, have a
Have a
balanced
balanced
that
diet.
means to have
balance.
clear. So
To have
children,
nutrients.
these are the things. So what I told you, you can make it practice, not only writing all this. So what you do after every class over, before you stretch out your hands, legs, everything, drink 2 liters of two tumblers of water. Then you have a rest, then come for the second class. Again, after second class, stretch your legs and all. After finishing the class, drink again too. Like that, every class is over. Okay, 4 classes you have. Every class is over. You can have.
Ma'am,
Yes.
after every class I would stretch.
Very good, very good. I like
Ma'am,
it.
I will
Okay.
also.
Yeah,
Ma'am,
that's what I
this
wanted. Yeah.
energy.
Ma'am, I will
You'll
not
say.
think.
Yes, that's what I wanted.
after
Very good. Very good. Not only stretching, drink.
Ma'am, I will stretch arms and
Ma'am,
make sound of the bones.
Okay.
ma'am,
Like that now.
Excuse me, ma'am, I have a doubt.
Sarah, now doubt
Ma'am,
others muted. Sarah, clarify your doubt. Tell me now, what's your doubt?
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Sarah, tell me.
Ma'am, sometimes we will make the sound of our bones, right, ma'am?
That is just we are
That's a
having
fluid.
knuckles.
Ma'am,
There's
that is
a
good or
fluid.
bad?
It's good.
It's bad.
It's good. Sometimes you do this way. You are giving exercise to the fingers. Okay, you are giving.
Ma'am,
exercise.
I will do like this and press here.
Yes.
Then
Yeah, it's very good because everywhere you press it, because every part of your body is connected to your brain. Every part of your body connected to brain. So you need.
Ma'am, can I say truth? Ma'am, before this.
Now
Ma'am, before
muted
this.
Risa is
Ma'am,
asking
before.
something. Others muted Risa. Tell me. Risa, tell me. You have
Can I
something
say
to say?
truth? I won't stretch after the class. And now onwards I will start stretching.
Okay, very good. Okay.
Ma'am,
Now my class is getting over. Everyone, after this, touch it.
Ma'am,
Drink 2 tumblers. Have some tea, some snacks, then go and do exercise. Like this, if you do or 10 times, that is also enough. If you have brother, go and play with your brother. If you have sister, play with your sister.
Ma'am, I am in my mother's house. So I
Even
have-
your mother's,
Ma'am, I had
house,
two sisters.
take your grandmother and do some games. Okay.
I'm not that. I'm not brother.
Bye, 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 bye.